Just coming at you with another video about my eBay business. Today is November 17th. No, I'm sorry. January 17th, 2018. And I've been working on learning as much as I can about private label. So last night I was up and I was listing stuff to send it in the FBA. And I did my first PPC campaign. And later on, I'll be doing a video about how it went. It's a little bit harder than I thought. I watched the course that I purchased. I purchased 2 courses about a couple months ago to start learning about private label. And I watched one of those courses step by step on how they did it. There's still more involved in it, and I need to do that. What I'm finding is my biggest fear in going into this business is taking the pictures and having really good pictures. I fear having my listing come down or get taken down, and I need to just look past those fears and really just go for it and start testing products and really watch the market and do the product research. Next week, school starts for me. I'll be taking 4 classes plus working full-time and trying to grow my eBay and Amazon business. So I'm going to be very, very busy. It's going to be very, very hectic, and I need to work on finding a virtual assistant to make my life a little bit easier. Here's the process I'm thinking about doing for my eBay business, which is I'll take the pictures either every night or every morning. I'll upload them to a Google Drive or a Dropbox, and then I'm gonna learn how to do the upload to eBay. And once I learn to do the upload to eBay, which is on a spreadsheet, then I'll have the VA fill out the spreadsheet from looking at all the pictures that I took, and then I'll upload that every day or every week, depending on how many I can get done. But hopefully we can do it every day or stagger it out, because like everybody knows who does eBay, eBay likes an active store. And even while I'm in school, I'll probably be playing with my store a little bit to make sure that it appears to be active at all times, and then I'll do the shipping at night. So I do want to grow this business, but it's going to be very challenging this next year because of all the school that I'll be doing. But I'm going to get it done, and just follow me on my journey. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you need anything else, you can send me an email. Please like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!